Sugota, good morning. December Picharo. December 9, 2025, our 23rd regular session. This regular session is now called to order. Singing of National Anthem through audiovisual presentation, invocation to be led by Honorable IPMR Gayod and the Councilors Street. Then next, the Vice Mayor Street.
Mga kababayan, ang pagbansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging Diyos na sinamalan, alam ng puso sa likid mo'y bumay. Upang bininang hiyagan ang magiging sa manlulupin, ikaw masisingil sa kanalang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ng bagaw ay hinatang tulang awit sa paglayang inaahan. Ang isang ng matawag mo'y tagumpay naragiging, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang kanilang iinig. Lupan ang araw ng walang ipagsikap, mo'y langit sa piling ko. Ang bigaya ng kantay magamit at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Sa ngalan sa mahal sa anak sa Panginoon. Lord God, salamat sa pagpapalito sa matagalaw na namin. Lord, magbalik kami sa matagalaw na pagkabuhaton. Ipaiway kami, Lord God, sa tanamatan, sa katautan, tuban sa mong mga mahal sa pinabuhi, kung sa among mga tao. Kinita na, Lord, among gayit kanunay, ipasitunggan kanimo, piso pa man, Lord, kining among ipinigayon niya 23rd, regular session, panalangin kami, kung agdamtan sa among una-una, kasing-kasing na makahimo kami tungad pa kayo na sa among kasakupan, sa entero kasakupan sa lingig. Kinita na, Lord, among ipangamuyo o ipasalamatan, pinaagi sa mong bugtong anak, sa Panginoon sa Kristo, sa ngalan sa Panginoon.
Kaya ito nakamot. Repeat after me. I am the Philippine Councilor,
Councilor,
mandated by law to enact
mandated by law to enact
measures and ordinances
measures and ordinances
that redound to the general welfare of my constituent
that redound to the general welfare of my constituents,
in their pursuit for happiness,
to the pursuit for happiness,
peace, and prosperity.
peace, and prosperity.
I believe in public service above self
I believe in public service above self
as the guiding principle of my official act,
as a guiding principle of my official acts,
and as tried the pathways of local legislation.
and as guide the pathways of local legislations.
May the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to my constituent
May the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to my constituents
and the Filipino people.
and the Filipino people.
I am a Vice Mayor, and my covenant with my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislature that with integrity and statesmanship. I shall lead the local legislature to enact measures and ordinances for the common good and fulfill my people's aspiration for happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Roll call and determination of quorum, Mr. Secretary.
Honorable Gailo, Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Mintayaw, Honorable De Los is on official business attending the PCL board, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Serigno, Honorable Artisa, Honorable Paler,
Here.
Honorable Segunda is also on official business at the GSIS. Honorable Evangelio, Honorable Gayon, and the presiding officer, Honorable Malaki.
There are 7 members in attendance. We meet the required numbers of the members to declare the existence of a quorum. Now, the reading of the special session minutes dated December 4 is deferred. Privilege hour. Any privilege? No other to render privilege? Okay. Question hour. None? Reading and referral of the proposed measures, petition, letters, and other communications.
As Mr. Presiding Officer, first item for referral is the request from the Mayor for an authority to enter into law the Philippine Statistics Authority with regards to the birth registration program.
Refer to Committee on Social Services. Another.
Next item is Barangay Taxation Ordinance number 2025-0010 sa 2025 Barangay Poblasyon.
Barangay Taxation Ordinance o Revenue Code o Barangay Poblasyon referred to Committee on Ways and Means.
Next item is the request for a special cockfighting event on December 29, 2025 at Barangay Mandos.
Refer to Committee on Games Amusement.
That's all, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Committee reports. Any committee reports? Yes. Wala. Calendar of business. Unfinished business. Okay, unfinished business. Pwede ma-actionan nato ni Kuan.
Number 1.
Naka-refer na, nilugay-lugay na na-refer. Kaya hapit na naman mag-inang tuwig. Sa isang lunta niya. Ini kuan resolution of number 55 of Barangay Bukak requesting for the San Ranimay for the endorsement for the DBM. So wala na ni? Okay, pa-delete na nato ni. Kaning sa ordinance on sa BAM. So, dim as, paano siya? Dim as approved. Next is the Bura-Bura unfinished business. Unfinished business pa ta. Bura-Bura ordinance, so importante ni.
Muwato kami sa kwan, sa LTO.
Okay. So, bilin ta ni. Sa pamian, samahan, sa kaunlaran, bilin. Appropriation ordinance. Ini sa 5%. Sa pamian. About the so wala pa ni actually sa pamian, samahan sa kaunlaran. Barcelona o Mayahay. Okay. Next is in the appropriation in 5%. MDRRMF. Tapos din eh? Tapos din eh? Actually, ang Barcelona na 500,000 implemented na ini.
Oh, guys, istorya kami.
Ang ining sa Sitio Burin.
Igamit nila yung kuan, itong opening sa kuan. gamit nila sa Barcelona kay ay certain case ng mga delikado na kailangan ng ipapakuha ng dali kay diabetes na siya. Kaya gamit nila, baling yun yung 1,000, papalang pa nila sa mga ano nila. Banding.
So,
So, willing sa lagi nila kuha.
implemented na ini sa Barcelona.
Kung papasabot na kung mga emergency cases, 18.5%, bisan kung mo na solusyon na pwede.
Dili kayo, pwede.
Taparan lang.
Dili pwede.
Kaya bisan mga parties,
Dapat MDRRMC resolution then approved by the Sanggunian.
kung hindi sakit na kagbulangan pag-approve mo, kung panamitilan, diretso na pag-approve. Sabi na kung hindi po yun.
So, how di kita sini mo hatag ng resolution, magkuhaan kita ng recommendation. Kanila, mag-asa kita. O reply kanila.
Kaya ang punto ko lugar ba, na mga emergency cases ba, kaya sila, automatic ba pagkuha sa 5%, trabaho diretso, even without solution.
Dili pwede.
Kaya ako
Otherwise
sa-
na, how ang kita ng rosi-rosi, sabot-sabot.
Ako sa inyo nagkisulit ako. So doon, kung kumpay sila ng requirements para ma-approve na mga resolution, to respect sa
As far as I know, ang 500,000 na 5% sa Barcelona, implemented na. Ang pangutana, kanus agi implement, din kanus sila nag-release ng resolution sa MDRRMC.
Evaluate na ba kuha na namin sa chip? Kaya gamit kami sa government na
So, anato ni committee ni,
kaya,
another committee, priority ni.
kaya pwede
mga
nga.
interlands, community
Priority ni kay 5, gilikano kita sini 5%. Binapin pa rin yung MDR fund. Annual investment program.
Mr. Chair, just in case kung there's an irregularity sa pinakuan na 5%, ito sa aso ng aplikasyon ng kuan sa kanya.
Magkuhangi kita. Pasa kita ng resolution na ga-implement sila na wa pa ma-approve na sanggunian. Ano na to ang date? Kano sa implement kano sa resolution sa MDRRMC. Then kano sa sila nag-request sa sanggunian. So bago naman, October 7, ang nag-implement sila ng September, so
Maybe kuan siguro Mr. Chair, huwag lang gagawin ito.
sige, 1 p.m. today. Patawag si Engineer,
Accountant,
si Unsing, Engineer Unsing, si Engineer si Manjit. Next, annual investment program. Sabang, sa ilaw, o Poblasyon. Pusyo na niya doon. Okay, parang
kaya po advice ang budget ng poblasyon kung ini BFM
si ining sa kauswagan na resolution, mahayahay, takol na sa ini.
wasay ka na po.
So, ipa-delete na tayo ini. Archive ini.
Madilit.
Ining sa senior citizen,
Ang senior citizen, gusto ko na sabay sila ng kuhan. Kaya amount sa group, kasi nga, kahit isang niya amount na ito. Tapos yung approve na budget na ito, ako lang naon. So,
dili ba automatic no sa seniors annual?
They said, dili ba squad sa lang kung
Sa pagbinahinay nila?
Ang pinahinalik.
Pero,
Oo.
sige, pwede na.
Kaya medyo ang sa kunya 60-40. Medyo ang sa kunya usap sini, yung wayang ka ng copy, ako gusto ko pa, parang kay sabitan tayo sa job, nag-ausip,
Wala pa. So, priority lang ni. Next is Annual budget poblasyon ug mandos, Limintal, karon ni?
Sa Pimental sa Mandos, mga pa na ko nila review.
Dili pa ni ron. Next,
Kini, doon nili ko siya na. Ang last.
Public Financial Management Improvement Plan, Municipality of Lignig, Fiscal Year. So wala pa ni?
Karoon na proba na.
Kani, Public Financial. Now, so ordinansa sa basura, wala pa. Ang gumato, wala pa. Kaling ang gumato, wala na ni kay pabalik man ni siya. APIC man ni. So archive na to ni. And to undergo man sa APIC process. Quarry man ni. Boundary quarry are requiring it barangays to conduct monthly clean up. Wala pa. Water preservation, wala pa. Ordinance. Project monitoring ordinance, wala pa. Mental Health Act.
Next pa na. Mayos kaya.
Mental Health Program providing ordinance ni.
Ordinance. Di na kayo mag-ordinance, sir, itong sa sementeryo. Ang kinanggan ko, ano na,
Kinanglan
lubong.
Nakalabang kong nagdumong kahapon.
Ito bang i-avoid na sa mga private nga kuan? Ano pa ito na itong ordinance?
Paano pong pinansa?
Sige.
Ito ang istorya kita.
Pakikuan ko, private.
Municipal ordinance.
Bahin sa paglubong.
Kung pwede na maglubungan to sa private.
Private nga mga cemetery advice ba? Kinanglan yan din sa ako.
Pwede ang private ila kagalingon.
Hindi, nga na lang di ba sa kuha?
Pwede isang vice.
Family. Kaya nagbayad man sila.
Dili
Sige
na.
kayo, dili.
Dili na, gid.
So namay naglubong bago dito.
Di man ta makakwato.
Amo gani.
Pero kaya kinanglan mo. Katong sa sanitation di pa, sir, bawal di. Kanigaman sa mga
Kamayaw ko din sa pamuntahan ako sa Mula ko yung mayaw. Pinansa na lang natin.
para naging kusog. Sa population,
Pwede adoption na lang
sa
namin sa
code na
ito na lang na to. Pwede ba siguro i-adapt na lang ito ang concept.
Sige. Dahil sponsor na ordinansa prohibiting prohibition.
Oo, ako rin naging
Adoption na nga itong buwan sa petition na national. No?
Okay. Kanin sa mga sa DSWD karon eh.
karon ni
Pero mga tangtag penalties.
Then, suspend pa na to ang sa PSA karon. Mag-suspend pa kag pre-reading.
Sige lang.
Karon ba nga
Ah.
operal? Pwede na sir no para dito na nato ikon. Pagka I already read ako naman what my there's no money involved. So okay ang si Mayor.
Oh. Kanin sa kwan. Kanin sa request sa bislig sa ilang PUB.
PUP.
Ilang mga umbak na masulod.
How?
Okay para
Wala pa? Wala pa lang. Later from the Forum Barangay, Bantayan, to conduct coordination meeting sa boundary sa bislig o lig Buston. Sa status ani. Okay na ni? Buston o ligig. Ngawang sa panagat.
Ako pa yung update ko ni Mau. Maghibong sa ng
Technical working group.
Technical working group about municipality.
Okay.
Doon sila yung present.
Management of the small scale mining ordinance. Kaning sa GO na 5 ka buok. I-archive na to ni. Wala may action siguro ang kuha na ni.
Huwag sa mag-committee nila.
Sa magkuhan lang.
Ako rin pero huwag sa mag-committee.
Magsikang committee
So, motion na nila para ma-archive. Kang iski about sa mga referee ongoing. Legal matters.
Pwede nga nito. Kampo?
political boundary sa San Roque,
Ano na palaway?
political boundary sa Barcelona, Bugan, ownership, kung naman eh, wala pa. Amian, declaration of sitio site, wala pa. Political boundary of Barcelona, Bugan. Privilege speech, highlighted observation, night market ongoing. So, unfinished business. Ang atong archive is,
Atong 5-1. Kasi yung padayon mo nga, 5 GOs.
i-archive na to 5G. May action ng Committee on Good Governance.
Sumaisen. Panayon. Kaya po sila.
Naka-sponsor mo yung mga dito.
Okay, let's proceed. Business of the day.
Mr. Chair,
Chair.
Honorable Paler.
I move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development. This pertains to the distribution of the social pension step M to qualified and indigent senior citizens of the municipality and the liquidation of transfer funds in accordance with the DSWD rules, guidelines, and reporting requirements.
Motion, a resolution authorizing the mayor to enter into MOA with DSWD Regional Office 13 regarding the distribution of the social pensions step in to qualified indigent senior citizens of the municipality and the liquidation of the transfer of funds. Rendered by Honorable Paler. Iskander.
Mr. Chair. Sikat na mo siya.
Yes, seconded by Honorable Aurelio, Honorable
Ako na naman.
Serenio. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby adopted. Approved.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the adoption of the Public Financial Management Improvement Plan covering fiscal year 2026 to 2028.
Yes, motion from the Committee on Appropriation, Honorable Aurelio, for the approval of the Public Financial Management Improvement Plan of the Municipality of Lingig for fiscal year 2026 to 2028. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Serenio, Honorable Artisa, Honorable Paler. Any objection? Discussion? Hearing none, the approval of the Public Financial Management Plan, Improvement Plan of the Municipality of Lingig fiscal year 2026 to 2028 is hereby adopted. Yes, Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the adoption of the annual investment plan fiscal year 2026 of Barangay Sabang.
Annual Investment Plan of Barangay Sabang for 2026. Any seconder? Seconded by Paler and Artisa. Any objection? The EIP of Barangay Sabang calendar year 2026 is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair.
Yes, proceed.
For the adoption of the annual investment program of Barangay Mansalao for fiscal year 2026.
EIP o Barangay Mansailaw, calendar year 2026. Any seconded? Seconded by Honorable Paler, Honorable Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, EIP o Barangay Mansailaw, calendar year 2026 is hereby approved.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the adoption of the annual budget fiscal year 2026 of Barangay Poblacion carrying an amount of 12,320,241.
Annual budget for Barangay Poblacion for fiscal year 2026 amounting to 12,320,241 pesos. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Bintayaw, Serenio, and Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the annual budget of Barangay Poblacion fiscal year 2026 amounting to 12,320,241 pesos is hereby approved. Next. Any other? Emotional na i-archive ning sa kwan. mahiyahay the resolution. Honorable Aurelio.
I vote for the archive of the matter. On the ordinance. Setting on the proposed ordinance number 2025-47, entitled the ordinance setting the maximum personnel of each zoning and barangay, provide job orders. The proponent of this is Honorable Omar Mendoza.
So there was a proper motion to put in archive the proposed ordinance number 47, 2025 on setting the maximum personnel of 8 Sangguniang Bay members by Honorable Aurelio. Any seconder? Honorable Artisa, Honorable Serenio, Honorable Alir. Any objection? Hearing none, the proposed ordinance is put on archive.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the archive of the resolution number 2025-549. Sa kanyang pangusan ng City requesting the municipal mayor to establish to allow the entry travel of any public vehicles of the PUDs in the city of City to ferry passengers in a Pacquiao agreement or even time.
So there's a proper motion to put the archive again the request of Bislig City, Sangguniang. So in wish to Sangguniang to allow the entry travel of any public utility vehicles from the city of Bislig to ferry passengers in a Pacquiao agreement. Any seconder? Any seconder? Honorable Serenio, Honorable Tisa, Honorable Paler. Any objection? Hearing none, the request of Bislig City on the passenger, on the entry of the public utility vehicles to Lingi to ferry passengers in Pacquiao basis is put on archive. Another, ito kang Gumato.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Banghilio.
Mr. Chair, I move to archive the letter request from Mr. Pilerimino and Gumato for the passage of resolution with the saying no objection to his application to extract and dispose of quarry resources at the Kapana Drama.
Yes, there's a motion to put into archive the request of Mr. Pilimino Gumato for a resolution interposing no objection from the Sangguniang Bayan for a quarry operation in Apanpanan due to since he will undergo an EPIC process. Any seconder? Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Gayod, Honorable Paler. Any objection? Hearing none, the request of Mr. Gubato is now put on archive. Another
Mr. Chair,
is Honorable Serenio.
I move to delete the referred item, resolution number 55, series of 2025, para mag-back posting sa Sangguniang Bayan for the investment of for the construction of permanent center.
So, motion to delete the resolution of Barangay Buka, number 55. Any seconder?
Mr. Chair, seconded.
Seconded by Honorable Paler, Honorable Artisa, Honorable Aurelio. So, butang ni sa archive.
Delete na.
Delete yun.
Delete from the archive.
Delete? Yes, motion is to delete. So, any objection? Hearing none, the motion is adopted or approved. Delete it. Yes, Honorable Aurelio.
I move to archive the resolution number 40, series 25, Barangay Mariahay, requesting the municipal vice mayor for the allocation of funds for the land development of the
Yes, there was a motion to archive the resolution of Barangay Mahayahay requesting for the allocation for land development of Purok Trees, Koswagan, City of Sai. Ini Iskandar. Seconded by Honorable Paler, Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is adopted.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yes, Honorable Paler.
Suspension of the reading.
I move for the suspension of the pre-reading rule to be with the request for a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement with the PSA, with the Philippines.
Motion to suspend the roll. Ini Iskandar. Ini Iskandar. Seconded by Honorable Artisa and Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, House rules is suspended.
Mr. Chair.
Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the approval of a special cockfight on December 29, 2025 at Barangay Mandos.
December 29, 2025 at
Barangay Mandos.
Barangay Mandos.
Given that we will present a report under supplemental feeling.
Okay, December 29. Barangay Mandos Special Cockfighting. Ini mo yung Iskandar. Seconded by Honorable Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, December 29, special cockfighting in Barangay Mandos is hereby approved.
Mr. Chair.
Nana ba ikuan? Report sa mga sabong.
Wala pa, Vice.
So,
Kailangan natin ng ating report.
Barangay Mandos is kuan man ta, pasabong, poblasyon. Wala pa may nadawat nato na report.
Sa mga report kay Mayroon at Topitan ng Basic Program. Sa
Pictures or
Wala ikuan proper documentation.
okay, I advise them to submit properly.
so game sa amusement committee at ani na yung mga report nila.
I will consolidate the report regarding
Sige.
the
Still on suspension of the rules. Honorable Aurelio.
I would like to restore the
Okay. 3 reading roll. It is Iskandar. Seconded by SB Artisa. The 3 reading rolls is resumed.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable Paler.
I move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into with the PSA.
Authorizing. Okay.
You have the copy in your paper.
Kanya na lang ito ibalik itong 3 reading roll. Isingit na lang itong kuhan. So, request from the mayor for the authority, a resolution authority to enter into a MUA with the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA. It is Iskandar. Seconded by Honorable Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the authority or resolution authorizing the mayor to enter into MUA with the Philippine Statistics Authority is hereby adopted.
Thank you, everyone.
So, House rules resume. Any other topic? Unassigned business. Any unassigned business? So, mag-committee, karon kuan, hapon,
On the
5% development ng MDRR.
also in dispatch.
O, kay para ma-resolve.
Sige, dapat kasi
Tawagin na lang sila.
ma'am,
O sa
Clyde, let's say,
o si Clyde o si Juan.
yes, ako din. Or si ma'am Juan, or siya.
Sa Oscar.
Sa oras.
Pero nga,
Ilaw na. Tubig na to. Kasi pa. Update sa mga.
update sa water system
Okay, tama ka dito.
sa Lingi.
I was saying,
Okay, December man ito yung promise
Oh, si
ni planning.
Natawag si engineer.
Prince pa.
ma,
Lilia.
pagtatawag sa
Richie.
Ahora segundo historial, no van a los primos na rin.
sa inyo, babudget para sa yun. Kasi nakita ko yun.
Ang itong kuwang sa kuwan, filtration.
Para
Okay, 5 minutes recess.
Regulatory action against
Okay, session resume. Honorable Paler.
I move for the employment of
Okay, no announcement?
No, kaya wala akong matay ko an.
Christmas party, wala no?
Wala, si mo ibig sa diretso, practice mo.
Ano?
Yes sir, ituloy din na. Wala sa akong...
Si mo ibig alas 5, pag please.
Okay. Motion for adjournment, Honorable Paler, seconded by Honorable Evangelio. Any objection? Hearing none, session adjourned.